If your condenser unit is freezing up, it's probably because the airflow is blocked and you need to clear out the debris and vegetation around it fast. So, first off, make sure there's at least 2 feet of clear space around your condenser unit. No leaves, grass clippings, or branches hanging around. You want the air to flow freely, like it's breathing easy. Next, gently hose down the unit to wash away dirt and dust that can clog up the fins. While you're at it, check the fins for any bent spots and straighten them with a fin comb or even a butter knife carefully. Also, trim back any bushes or plants that have grown too close. Plants look nice, but they can totally mess with airflow if they're too tight. Don't forget to check the air filter inside your house regularly, because a dirty filter can make your unit work harder and freeze up. If you notice ice on the unit, turn off the system and let it thaw completely before turning it back on. Lastly, schedule a professional tune-up once a year so they can catch these issues before they get serious. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser units freezing due to blocked airflow is ignoring the surrounding debris. The leaves and dirt build up and choke the unit's breathability. The fix here is simple. Keep that area clean and clear all year round. Another common issue is not trimming back vegetation. Trees and shrubs can grow fast and block airflow without you even noticing. Just a little pruning goes a long way to keeping your unit healthy. The third mistake is skipping regular maintenance, like cleaning the fins or changing filters, which lets small problems snowball into ice buildup and costly repairs. The fix is setting reminders to clean filters monthly and getting a professional checkup yearly. BigHomeProjects.com helps you find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle problems like frozen condenser units and blocked airflow. At the same time, it gives contractors a platform to connect with homeowners looking for trusted help on home projects.